All repair and alterations shall be done as per ASME construction code. All welding and NDT procedures, QA, manual, execution and material shall be approved by inspector or engineer. Pressure relieving devices should be repaired as per approved QA manual CAPI 576. Carbon or alloy steel with carbon content over 0.35% shall not be welded, and carbon steel with carbon contents over 0.30% need preheating to avoid weld cracking. The preheat temperature shall be 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius, covering at least 4 inches or 4 T on each